There it goes. What the hell? Why did that take so long for it to finally start sending? I don't know. Yeah, that sure in the hell should not have taken that long to start sending me any kind of thing from YouTube. That took way too damn long. Alright, anyways. We are attempting a saving and loading system. But it's kind of a pain in the butt. And I don't know if this guy knows what he's talking about, so it's going to kind of trust the process. Maybe. We'll have to see. This is the guy. Hopefully I don't get copyright for watching someone else's video.
My load button 1.
I should stick to somebody that I know how to watch. I know this guy. Of course I know him. Save and load game.
It's gonna be on true. It's gonna be on.
Come on, Gorka. Do me good. Of course I know him. Why wouldn't I know him?
First of this video, I'm only gonna be saving and loading the player's position.
So he's doing the player's position, but I'm going to try to figure out how to do it myself. Also, just a little bit of a update. So if we click for one, save. Go. Let's play. So F11. Can't really see it because the lighting needs to be rebuilt stuff. But if let's get an AR. Pick up a firearm. It's good to grab a little bit of food too. And we right over here. At the top you see level 0 and then a bar. Spawners. And you see we're still level 0, but we get a bar kind of filling up. And now we're level 1. And it carries over, of course. So if you need 10 XP to level up and you get 15, adds 5 to your next level. Level 2. So I need to save. Let me get Notepad out here. So we need to do the world location. Location. World rotation. We need to save the health. Not worried about saving stamina because it'd be kind of annoying leaving with 1 stamina and then coming back with 1 stamina. No games do that. Level and XP, weapons, ammo, reserve ammo. And food. We might wait to do the food though because we might be doing a different inventory system. So what we'll do, damn it. and do that. So we need to do skip this. There we go. This is what we need to save: the world location, the world rotation, the health of the player, level XP of the player, what weapons they have, the ammo, and reserve ammo. So let's watch Gorka real quick. I know he'll do me right.
Okay, and then you can go ahead and add more things as you want. Okay, so basically to save a piece of information on our save, what we're gonna do is just create a variable, and this is gonna be the player
BP save. Okay, I forgot to do that. So let's just try this. Create new folder, save game. Right click, let's look up blueprint class, save game, select BP save game. Ah, this is gonna get complicated.
Okay, because
Player position, okay, that's good. Variable player position.
be the player position is gonna
Double check something real quick while I'm here too. I'll make sure my Facebook isn't open since I'm tabbing through shit. It is not. We're good.
save it in the variable. That is simple, and it's gonna be a transform.
And of course, a transform.
Okay, so now we can compile and save and go back into our third-person character. And the thing is that we're gonna go ahead and add a begin play, because this will do it right when the game starts. Okay.
The begin play. So we'll go ahead and go here. We already have a begin play. Third person. That should be this one here actually. On begin play does all my shit. Yep.
So the first thing that we're going to do is does game
Does save game exist? Save game exist.
does save game exist? Okay. So we are gonna be asking if already there's something saved and we can go ahead and load it, or we can go ahead and create a new one. Now we have to set up a slot name. Go ahead and name it as you want. In my case, it's gonna be save one.
Save one, copy it to be exact.
But it's like basically the name of each slot on your save. Okay, so right from this it's gonna be a branch, and we're gonna ask if true or false. Now if it's false, what we're going to do is create a new one. So create game save object, and this will be of our BP save that we have just created earlier. So now we can get from this and then set the player pause.
Okay, damn it. Set, oh, not that. Set player pause. Yes, love. I steal. Okay.
Because also, apart from creating it, we're gonna be also saving it in that instant. Okay, so basically just save like this, and it's gonna be get actor transform, as we are saving our actual.
Okay, get actor transform. Compile.
Player's position, and then also we have to save it. So it's gonna be save game slot.
Oh, come on. Why is this gotta be this way? Save game slot.
and then we can just join this, and remember that the slot name has to be exactly the same, so save 1, and then basically it will be saved. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make this a bit better just by putting this up over here so it doesn't look like that, and there we go. So now if the save doesn't exist, it will create one and save our player's position.
Okay, so we're going to do some stuff. So we got players position, players XP. This was a type of integer. Players level.
Yeah, well,
Hi. Player health is a float, and then stamina is we'll do health as a float. Okay. So out of this, we're going to set player health. There we go. And then from set player health, can we just plug in our health? So it should be what health is. That should change based off of anything happening. Set player's health. Set player level. And then player's level. Player level. Could also just do this. So set player XP. EXP, my bad, whatever. XP needed. So levels, XP, and players, EXP needed. Should be a integer. The players EXP needed. Okay, if it does, we need to load essentially.
But if it already exists, we have to basically load all the information. So it's gonna be load game, save, from slot.
We'll go here, load game from slot, slot name.
And again, it's gonna be exactly the same name slot, so save 1. And then what we're going to do is cast directly to our BP save.
Cast to BP save. Cast to BP underscore save game. That's weird.
So now we can get our information, for example, our player pause in this case. And now as simple, we can just say set actor transform,
Okay, so get player pause. Damn it. It was what? Set actor transform off of set actor.
And we can just set the position of our player to be basically this one. And that's pretty much it on the
Okay, so set actor transform is just positioning. Now, if it does, this is when we're loading it. So we need to get player's health. Set players. PP save game. So I'm going to do. So we're going to do like health, a health set. We're going to set the health to what was saved, I guess. And then that was from this one. So from this, we're going to do players. We're going to get players. We just did health. Let's just do XP now. Or EXP, whatever. Set to whatever saved. And then get players level. Level set level. And then we got EXP needed. Get players EXP needed. EXP needed, set, and set. So we got health, EXP, in level, and EXP needed. We got the position also. We will do ammo in a second. What's up, bro? Sorry, I didn't see chat there for a second. We're doing some shit that I don't know how to do. So it's a little complicated. We're trying to do save game stuff.
Play part. Okay. So now what we have to do is save the game and load the game if we want at any time. So, for example, I'm gonna be saying that if I, to make things easier, if I hit the key O, for example.
Okay, he's gonna do if he hits the O key. I'm not doing that. We're gonna go to our main menus. This is a test map. Don't worry about how ugly it is. Gonna go UI. Pause menus. This is our main menu. So this shouldn't be save game. This one should be load game. Text save game. Load game. Compile save. We're just going to do it in our pause menu. Here's our save. Option screens and option screens. Okay, so it's just these two. So let's say this is in our pause menu. This is our save game, save button. Go down and unclicked right here.
Example R is going to be better. We want to go ahead and save the game. Okay, so what we're going to do is copy this block, which is just says does save game exist, and with save one on, which is very important. So if it exists, just to make sure that we don't have any errors or whatever, what we're going to do is do pretty much this, which is just get reference to our cast that we did earlier and set the player position and save. Now the thing is that we need to reference to this, so just go ahead and just drag this over here, right click and say promote to variable, and this is going to be our BP save. I think that's okay for now. Just plug it in over here and
BP save. Okay, it's gonna be a little complicated. Cast to BP. Okay, right here. Grab all of this and minus that. Also from here, promote to variable. Come on. Starting to lag for some reason. Okay, so this is now a reference inside of our third person character. So in our pause menu, we need to do what he just did. So we got the
and save. This one.
Does save game exist? Okay. Does save game exist on our slot? And then we're going to put a branch, add that, and if it does not exist,
on
or true, whatever.
So if it exists, just to make sure that we don't have any errors or whatever, what we're going to do is do pretty much this, which is just get reference to our cast. Need to promote to variable. Now we can just go here and get our BP save, and then just get our player set our player false, because this is basically saving, and then it's gonna be in true, and then this is gonna be our get actor transform. So I just go ahead and copy this and paste it on here, and then save game to slot. Well, I'm gonna be doing exactly.
Okay, so the BP save. So don't have it in here. So event construct. Okay. Event construct. Sure. Cast to BP third person character. Get player. Player character, just so we have the reference here. Promote to variable. We get our player reference now. This could be put elsewhere. And then from this player reference, actually, we're going to get, what is it? BP save. BP save, get BP save, and promote this to a variable BP save. There we go. So as BP save, we're going to set player's position. Set player's position. And then as a player reference, get player reference, we're going to, what was it? Shit. Get actor transform. Okay. Get actor transform. Plug that into there. And then I'm showing, we got to do the rest. Oh shit. It's a save button. This is, if it does exist, true, then we're setting it. Setting it to where we are, and we're saving those things. Okay.
Exactly the same here. So
okay, so the same thing as this, essentially. Come on. Say on start, just save game exist. So this is as if we're saving it. So we got that one, we got that one. We need to do the health, the level, EXP needed, and save game slot. And that's kind of cool how it just came across. If we hit target, it's going to fail because the targets are missing. Player reference. It would be BP save. Okay, there we go. What do we do over here? Select save game to slot. Now if we do it, it should be good. Maybe. Up, and then of this one. Get health. Set it. Get level. Oh, that's the wrong thing. That's why. Get level. Of this one, get EXP. This better work. Get EXP needed. Compile, that should be fine.
So you just copy and paste it, and then the BP save will go
BP save will be this one here.
over here, and the slot save 1.
That one isn't like that over here. Save game slot. Okay, yeah, it is. Never mind.
So now this will basically be saving our game, so you can print.
So this is when I press save, it should save. Right now. This is does save game exist? False. Print string. Now we're going to say new save game started. And if it does exist, then it's loading save. And string. Loading save data. So compile. Really cannot wait to try this. If this don't work, I'm gonna cry. Okay, so let's try. So new save game started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run over here to the platforms. Hit. Oh, I can't hit escape. Question is, does it automatically load? It'll load me back in a different spot though, sadly. Yeah. And you go here, find results, pause. So escape. What we're gonna do is just take that off for a minute. P key. P pressed. There we go. There we go. Now I can actually access my pause menu inside the editor. You can't normally. So health is something I want to test too. So I should probably get a gun too. Oh, that's one of the old ones that doesn't work. So we have a gun so we can get some AXP. So we have some XP. Let it hit me. Okay, so we have health. Oh, I gotta reload. Okay, so we have XP, we have health missing. Hit P. Click save game, and then quit. I have to click play. Okay, it worked, but our position is a little messed up. So main menu or pause menu. This is getting our position, get active transform. We should probably get our active transform and do a plus. Split the structs. Split them again. Split. Split again. Okay, so X is, I'm assuming, up. Plus 5. I could be completely wrong. Scale. Okay. Don't know yet. Bad thing is now if I play though. Yeah, I'm falling through the ground. Okay. Oh crap. Where did it save at? I know there's a way you can delete the save game.
Game saved. So we can go ahead and check it out. That if I now to make it 1, so yes, we can just and what we did loading save game exist is a 1. So if it does exist, we're gonna be loading.
I'm not doing loading right now. I'm just trying to get my saving and working.
If I were to go see that it printed into got to set it now are into loading. I will be just a video. If you have any
okay, so he doesn't show it. Let me see here. When you make a new save game in UE5, where is the folder located at? In order to create a new save game, the save folder file folder is typically located within your project directory inside the folder named saved. Some project. Let me just go up to projects. Let me just do like some random prop thing or weapon or whatever. Show in folder view and explore it. So back to project, battle map, saved, save games, save. Yeah, it's like this or something. There we go. Why is that bugged out? We got XP. What we'll do is let him hit me. Holy shit. Okay, so we saved. It didn't save that time. It worked the first time. Okay, I hit it a bunch. Then I click quit. Okay, so that wasn't the right button. Or button, that wasn't the right thing. But delete that now. Let's go ahead and go back into this one. So if it's not on X, it's on Y. I know in like Blender, X and Y means something like a different direction. But then in Unity, X and Y means a different direction. In Minecraft, X and Y means a different direction. But in here, something different too. Like nobody can agree. Okay, hit P, save game, and quit. Let's just try it again. Why did that not save? That's fucking annoying. Okay, so I don't have false there, so if it's not registering a save, then it's just not doing it. I just realized I have two set player pauses here. Probably not supposed to. Oops. I try again, maybe? Corrupt, you still here, bro? No, it's been a second, but I figured I'd ask. Let's just say that I'm over here next to the other guns. Of course, that's glitchy as shit. Hit P, save, 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 save. Quit. Click play. And I'm next to the guns. Because I don't have a gun yet, but that's fine. So now we got to do everything else too. Okay, right next to these little guys here. Hit P. I was going to hit save a bunch just to make sure. Give it a second to run its lines. Click quit. And then click play. There we go. We still have our XP and we still have our health. Nice. When you click play, it loads the health. type of thing. Trying to think here. So we don't technically need to add it to false. Like, does save game exist false when we click the button? Because it's always going to exist because we create a new save game when we click play. The moment we click play, it creates one and makes it a thing. It should be good. Now, over in our main menu, we got our save button. We're going to rename this to load button. Is variable and unclicked. Options button, and we essentially need to do the same thing. Does save game exist? Does save game exist? Okay. If true, then we need to load it. Does save game exist? Save game to slot. BP third person character. So okay, here we go. So does save game exist? True. If it does, then load game, cast to set. The main menu. I have lots of errors here soon. So if it does, then we want to load it. And this is cast into BP save. Save game. This is going to give me an error for a second. Okay, that's an issue. So this is as this. We need to set BP save. I'm going to do that real quick. Promote it to a variable here. Damn it. Control Z. There we go. And then over in here, where did we take it to? So straight over at BP save game. Save. So here we should be better on some things. Actually, everything. Okay. Okay, so that's from that one. So we need to. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Why is that failing? It's literally right here. How is that not right? Health. In the save game, we're getting the player's health and we're setting it. Okay. So the player's health. Set. Is this BP? Okay, there we go. Okay, I know what I'm doing now. I know what the error is. Unclicked. Okay, so event pre-construct, just so we can get everything before everything loads. Cast to BP third person character. Get player character. And then from here, promote to variable, player reference. Don't need nothing else. Going to get this player's reference. Oops. That stems from there. What's this saying? Okay, player reference. If we compile, will that disappear? Okay, it will. Player reference, get player reference. Set health. So it's going to have a target on this one because there we go. And delete. So it needs a target instead of being like the other one. Why did, oh, it's nowhere because it's broken. Okay, then set exp. And then set level. And set exp needed. That should be fine. So we can remove those now. Blammy, 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 blammy. And that should be it. If it doesn't, then low level by name. The name will be Battle Royale Starter Kit, maps. We have to copy. So if there's no level already, it's just going to load you into one already. If there is one, then it's going to load that one. So it should be good. I'm going to stop streaming. There's not much going on. I'm going to stop. But I'm also going to render this game out and do a couple of tests. Because I have to do it that way. So, yeah, thank you, Crud, for jumping in, bro.